Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to day number 8 of our Alaskan cruise adventure. Today, as you can see, I give you nothing. We are at sea in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, and we are just gonna do whatever we want to do today. On the ship, we're gonna eat some food. We're gonna have some fun. Maybe I can get a chance to dip into the pool. Tonight is formal night again. This is the second formal night, and it is lobster night. One of my most favorite nights on the cruise because lobster is delicious. And yeah, so this is our day at sea. Tomorrow is another day at sea, and then we will be arriving in our final port of Seattle, Washington, where unfortunately we will have to fly home. This is going by way too fast, but I hope you guys are having fun and you're keeping up on this playlist. I will leave a link to the playlist towards the end of the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you're subscribed with the bell notification icon turned on, because you really don't want to miss all the future stuff I have going on. I still have a ton of content coming your way. So with that being said, I hope you're ready, because I know I am. Let's go do this. Whoa! Oh, look down. Oh my gosh, it's a long way down. Look. Look. What? What? Well, my plan was to go outside to the flow rider to try to get some boogie boarding, maybe some surfing in. But as you can see, weather is not permitting. I'm willing to do it, as you can tell, but once the temperature drops below 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit, they shut it down. So if it's not weather, it's the rockiness of the ship, and they'll shut it down for that. So I will try again tomorrow. In the meantime, we can check out the Seaplex and maybe take a dip in the pool of the solarium. Let's head upstairs and see what they have on deck number 16. I actually haven't been up this high yet. Some pretty cool games up here. Oh, I gotta get my hands on this. Get out. Well, that sucks. It's not free. Really, Royal Caribbean? That's nickel and diming.
Can I have the bratwurst and everything?
I just spoke with a crew member, and here at the Seaplex, they only offer the bumper cars, roller skating, and as you can see, basketball, sports like that. They do not offer laser tag or ice skating on the Ovation of the Sea. So not this ship. I do know that they offer it on the larger ships, but not on this one. How do you guys like my car? Pretty cool, right? It is our second formal night, and it is lobster night. For my appetizer, I got a caprese salad. Wifey, what'd you get?
Escargot.
She got escargot. Kai, what'd you get?
Fruits.
You got some fruits. And you can order as much lobster as you want. All you can eat. So I got, of course, the lobster, and I paired it with a top sirloin to make it a surf and turf. For my next appetizer, I got a shrimp potato salad. There it goes. All right, it is here. This is our lobster dish. It comes with 2 lobster tail with rice and a little bit of broccoli, followed by the tenderloin that I got to make it a surf and turf. Wifey, are you happy?
Yes.
All right. Cheers. And Mikhail got some chicken fingers and fries. Look at that. Gonna have to get some butter because it didn't come with butter, but pair it with that, get your surf and turf going on.
Pick one, Daddy. Pick one, Daddy.
Pick one? Oh, I'm gonna pick both. Got the butter? All right then. I'll start my diet the day after tomorrow when we get back. Oh. Round 2. 1, 2. Don't judge me. And for dessert, not that I can fit any more into my stomach, I got a cheesecake, and Wifey, who already started.
Pineapple.
I'm gonna see.
Okay.
Say hi.
Hi.
Wifey got a pineapple cake, and Mikhail still working on those fruits. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Yeah?
I'm in my dress.
You
You are.
ready? Dress shirt.
You're enjoying your dress shirt. You're very handsome. I'm just surviving. So we got back in the room, and he took Kai's blanket and turned it into
This one.
a peacock? Maybe swan?
I don't know.
Swan? What is it?
And the elephant.
It's not an elephant. It's not. Well, anyways, this is the first time I've been on a cruise where it takes like your own personal blanket and
The eyes.
combined it with a towel and
The eyes.
yeah,
Take the eyes.
awesome. And we're traveling back in time tonight. Or should I say we're traveling forward in time tonight as we go back into the United States, heading up towards Seattle.
Rio London. You listen to country, here and your own train. Who hasn't been there before? I come around the harbor, bringing comics in bed, strap them all of the bread, and serve you my songs again. Now look at here, I still get some. I'm not the kind of girl you take home. If it makes you happy, you can be my man. If it makes you happy, then why the hell are you so sad? If it makes you happy, you can be my man. If it makes you happy, then why the hell are you so sad? Waving high, far away from here. Put on a poncho, wait for mosquitoes everywhere into the room. Well, okay, we get along. So